Hi, I'm Shannon. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to post a video of what I did today with my 13-year-old son. We are on our first mission trip, and today was day one, the official day. We got here yesterday. We are in Huntington, West Virginia, and we are here with New Vision Baptist Church in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and we partner with an organization called SCORE International. And so I signed up with this mission, not knowing much of what we will be doing or why or the purpose, but I'm excited about it. So today we went to actually cross the river over to Ohio. It was called Crown City, Ohio, and we went to, which will soon be called Revely Farm. I think I said that correctly. And it is it's going to be a farm that will be has three greenhouses, and one will be for like the lettuce, and the second one will be for plants that have seeds, and then the third one, I think for berries, he said, but right now at the moment it's being used for starting the seeds. So, but which was unique about this farm is that he's using two different techniques, and they are called
aquaponics and hydroponics.
aquaponics and hydroponics. I don't know much about that. So, but anyways, so I'm going to be showing you some pictures of what we did today, maybe some little clips of what Scott said. Oh, so Scott and Monica, they are the owners of this soon-to-be farm, and they have an amazing story. They truly, truly do. They have this vision, this mission to have a farm where they will have multiple greenhouses, and a portion of the fruits and vegetables that come about will be given back to the community to help. This city, this area is really devastated, but by drugs. But Scott, his mission started with his love for his family and the love for community, and how diabetes, not eating healthy, not getting the right nutrients inside your body, what it does. And so he wants to enrich and educate the community about nutrition. So I hope you enjoy all the clips I compile, and just pray for this family, Monica and Scott, and their beautiful children. And the one that we got to meet today was William, and William's got a long road ahead of him, and his parents fight for him. They are his number one cheer. They're his advocate. So it was great to see a solid family still wanting to work for the community and for the kingdom of God. So thank you. Talk to you later.
Understand if you eat better, you don't have to become a diabetic. It's just knowing what to eat and how to eat. So with that, I figured I'd set out to teach people how to eat better by growing better food and show them the difference between just eating bad stuff and good stuff. A very, very smart man told me, it's just like having a car. He said, if you buy cheap oil, cheap filter, he said, that motor's not going to last. If you put good stuff in, the motor's going to last a lot longer time.
And then with the stuff you grow, where do you take that, and what do you do with that?
Well, most of it will be going to the wild ramp, or we'll be taking it to churches and try to educate people about the nutritional value of eating better. And when you go to stores, I call them food factories. I mean, a lot of stuff there is not nutrition. It's just there for people to consume.
Good. And tell us a little bit about what we're going to be doing today.
Today we're going to clean up this one site, start setting the poles in, or try to set the poles in to get the first greenhouse up.
Nice. Perfect. All right.
How much fruits and vegetables can a greenhouse grow?
Well, it just depends on what kind you got. We're hoping that the one that's already out there, the hoop house, it should produce about 40,000 heads of lettuce a year.
40,000?
Yeah.
That's lettuce. Wow.
Yeah, you come here and look at it, it's not like anything most people have ever seen before. So let's go look.
All right.
Each one of these trees will have probably about 40 heads of lettuce, and as you can see, that's a lot of lettuce. So every cycle, I think it figures out to about 300 to 400 heads of lettuce every 4 weeks. So that's the reason I can grow so much lettuce.
And it grows a little faster like that, I'm assuming,
Oh
right?
yeah, and that, in fact, it never goes down. In the wintertime, summertime, springtime, and once it's up and going, it just keeps on going.
Yeah. Right. That's awesome.
What type of lettuce is it?
Girl, we're going to have romaine, bok choy, anything that I consider the upper baby spinach, high density, nutritional.
Yeah. The darker leaves.
Right.
So we're on the grassroots of helping you get this started.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
This is the bottom up, guys.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's good. That's great.
Now, go outside here. It gets warm in here really fast.
Yeah.
And it's not even got the ink caps in it yet. And over here, we'll be putting up a kind of structure that looks more like a house. Now this first one, it's going to be, if you can see those little posts down there, that's the first it's going to be. It's 25 by 60. This one will have all the classic or the best cherry tomatoes, the golds, the reds, the cherries, the black ones. Then you'll have green beans, peppers, and cucumbers, and squash. All going to be in this house, but this house is going to be different because this one's going to be a hydroponics, not aquaponics. This one uses fish, this one just uses straight nutrition. Now the one behind it, we're also going to put, it's going to be just a berry house. That's going to be the house that I'm going to get it back here with. It's going to have strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. And once you get people here, you can have this all year round.
There's something
Yeah.
healthy to go with.
That's
Well, I
right.
mean, that's healthy, but everybody's not going to show up for a head of lettuce.
That's
They'll
right.
show up for the berries.
Let's go up for the berries. That's why I want to bring them here, berries.